A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal battle, the Trump administration is appealing a federal judge's order mandating that full Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, benefits be restored immediately. This comes as the government had initially planned to provide only partial payments for the month due to the ongoing government shutdown. The decision has sparked widespread concern as millions of Americans depend on these benefits for their daily sustenance. The order was issued by U.S. District Judge John McConnell Jr. in Rhode Island, who criticized the administration for failing to acknowledge the detrimental impact that withholding these benefits would have on vulnerable populations. Judge McConnell described the administration's actions as politically motivated, suggesting that the delay in funding was a tactic to leverage political negotiations surrounding the government shutdown. In his ruling, Judge McConnell referenced a recent social media post by President Trump, which stated that SNAP benefits would only resume when the radical left Democrats open up government. This statement was taken as evidence of the administration's intent to defy the court's earlier order aimed at ensuring the continuation of SNAP benefits. Following the judge's ruling, the Trump administration swiftly filed an appeal, although no specific arguments were presented at that time. The administration's justification for its inability to fully fund SNAP during the shutdown centers around a claimed lack of available resources. However, Judge McConnell has pointed out that the government could utilize existing customs revenues, which had been earmarked for various child nutrition programs, to cover the shortfall. He emphasized that prioritizing hypothetical funding needs over the immediate food security of millions of children is unacceptable. Responses from both sides of the aisle reflect the contentious nature of this issue. A spokesperson from the Agriculture Department, which oversees SNAP, placed blame on Democratic lawmakers for the lapse in benefits, accusing them of using the shutdown as a political weapon. Meanwhile, the cities and nonprofit organizations that initiated the lawsuit have hailed the judge's order as a significant victory, albeit a short-lived one given the administration's appeal. As the deadline for restoring funding looms, concerns grow about the logistics of getting the necessary funds to state agencies and ultimately to the individuals who rely on SNAP. The administration has indicated that the complexities involved in adjusting benefits could take weeks or even months, leaving many families in a precarious situation as they struggle to make ends meet. The urgency of the matter is underscored by the fact that SNAP assists approximately 1 in 8 Americans, making it a critical component of the nation's social safety net. With the government shutdown persisting, the future of SNAP funding remains uncertain, and advocates fear that without immediate action, many families will face hunger and increased reliance on already strained food pantries. This situation highlights the broader implications of the government shutdown and the political maneuvering that can have real-world consequences for everyday Americans. As the Trump administration continues its appeal, the clock is ticking, and millions are left anxiously awaiting a resolution that could significantly affect their access to food assistance. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.